Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your Fiverr gig to WhatsApp. This is a great way to promote your services directly to potential clients or colleagues who might be interested in what you offer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account where your gigs are hosted, as this is essential for accessing the sharing options we'll need later. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Fiverr dashboard. Look at the top menu and locate the option labeled My Business. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to a page displaying all the gigs you've created and published on your Fiverr profile. Now browse through your gigs and select the one you want to share on WhatsApp. Right beside the gig, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal several options for managing your gig. From this menu, select Share. This option is specifically designed to help you distribute your gig across various platforms, making it easier to reach a wider audience. Once you click Share, a new window or menu will pop up showing different sharing options. Look for the WhatsApp icon and click on it. This will automatically prepare your gig link to be shared through WhatsApp, ensuring that the formatting is correct and the link is ready to send. At this point, WhatsApp will open either in your browser or redirect you to the WhatsApp application on your device. You'll see your contacts and chat list displayed. Select the person or chat you want to send the gig to. This could be an individual contact, a group chat, or even a broadcast list if you're sharing with multiple people at once. Finally, click or tap Send to share the Fiverr gig link. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Fiverr gig to WhatsApp, making it easy for others to view and potentially order your services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.